Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Visual. Today I help you how to install form to Photoshop. Okay, so let's go. Here I have a two-way install form Photoshop. The first way you select Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and then you access local disk C, access Photoshop. Okay, no, back, select the window, from Ctrl V, tick here, yes. Okay, you wait minutes. Okay, finish. Very easy. So the second way you second ways you select Ctrl A, right click right mouse, select install for on user. Okay, click here, tick here, yes. Continue waiting. Okay, finished. So I introduce you to way install form to Photoshop. Very easy install form for Photoshop. Okay, so this video the end here. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.